Hello, my dear Pharma Network. And here we are again. We are still in Dubrovnik. This first day of the event is unfolding amazingly. And today we are talking about digital AI transformation the most. We have a great guest in our improvised studio. Please meet Laetitia Huret, who is the lead of transformation at Servier. Laetitia, welcome and tell us a little bit about yourself.
Sure. Well, thank you for having me, Natalia, in your podcast. I'm really happy to talk about transformation excellence in Servier. So I'm actually in the sales department of Servier, so really about commercial excellence. And I work to support digital transformation, data transformation, recently AI transformation as well. So as you see, a lot of busy topics in transformation. And well, I just sit with people all day to understand how are their constraints, challenges, and opportunities to cascade those projects effectively from global to local.
Excellent. So this is just such a dream work because today everyone is just talking about this transformation, AI, technology boom. And I have a very provocative question to you. Do you think that AI will take our jobs?
I must say, I was expecting these questions because I have seen it a lot in my company, in other companies. People are all questioning AI and its opportunities. And I think we're not asking the right question, Natalia. Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't think that we shall ask if AI will replace our job. But are we willing to continue having ways of working that can be replaced with AI? Because in fact, AI will support our jobs because it will cut the repetitive tasks, automated it, so we can focus on what matters. And you know what matters, Natalia?
What? Enlighten me.
I know the impact on HCP engagement we can have, because it's not just making more content with more emails, more of this, more CLMs faster. No, it's what is the impact of all these channels and content on HCP's life to help them have better practice decisions and to serve patients at the end of the day. So that's why for me, AI, it will augment us, and we just need to keep the decision driver, the impact at heart, and monitor it in a way that we need this balance to make this work and support our business objectives, AI and human together.
It sounds very interesting. Does it mean we have something which is making us human unique? So that is making our exact experience unique, which we need to keep.
Exactly. What I was discussing lately with actually a AI consultant is that AI, it doesn't have our knowledge, it doesn't have our past life and experience, it doesn't know that. So it's how we can bring that to challenge AI. Of course, it can be our kind of a sparring partner.
Yeah.
And with that, have a better decision making, faster decision making, to ensure that with AI, we're 10 times more efficient than we were. Like, I think it was 4 years ago that ChatGPT was released. Well, how we can be 10 times better than 4 years ago, empowered with AI.
That's so true. That's so true. However, I know that many people are still having their doubts and difficulties with it. What will be your advice? How to embrace AI better? How to become stronger with it?
Yeah, I've seen lately that AI, it's the opportunities, it's like magic, AI will solve everything. But at the same time, no one wants to really do the work of understanding what's behind this AI. They're just expecting to magically solve everything with it. Well, it's not like it can work. We need to invest ourselves time in understanding this AI, how to use it effectively, how to maybe incorporate agentic AI with using generative AI and all these AI tools that we can now have at our hands, and how with all this technology now accessible and in the whole industry, we can keep our human factor, that is our self-dependence, and use it effectively, because otherwise the ones that are not embracing AI, they're on their way to lose this race, to be honest.
It's so cool. I think I have to ask these questions. So we are both women and we are and we are in AI, in technology together. Do you find female leadership is strong enough within AI?
It's
I'm
really
sorry,
a tricky question you just asked.
but I know you can do it.
Well, I'm trying to be in this change of AI myself. Okay. And asserting as, okay, I'm a woman. I try to be AI advocate and to make understand how AI is important, how AI will solve a lot of things, not magically. And well, I think it's a way to get the space that we need to get. And then sometimes we don't have as women leaders, but it's just a matter of being more assertive and going for it. And I think that more and more women, like you, Natalia,
Thank you.
are doing it and are doing it with quite nice assertive attitudes.
Thank you, Laetitia. So that's so great to have you. And I believe with this podcast and with many more episodes to come, female leadership in AI will be stronger and we as humans will become irreplaceable.
Exactly.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Natalia.
Thank you.